Hello guys, review tablet Alcatel TKEE Mid version 2GB memory and 32GB internal memory. Okay, look compactation. In compactation we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, this LTE version, and we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, let's now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera, on the front side front camera and display 8-inch. This side power key, warm keys, downside speakers, upside headphones jack, microphone and USB Type-C port, and slot for nano SIM card. Okay, turn on device. We have HD display. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. CPU MediaTek MT 8766, GPU power rear, resolution display PPA, look results, single core score and multi-core score, CPU test results, and look AnTuTu benchmark score. AnTuTu benchmark score, okay, close this. Run demanding game Guitar Sundays, look how this game works on the device. Works very good, without lags and glitches. On the medium graphic level, on max graphic level game works bad, on medium, good. Okay, close this, that's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.